If your car feels wobbly while driving, makes clunking noises on bumps, or the steering feels loose, it may be time to replace the lower control arm bushings. These bushings help keep your suspension stable and your ride smooth. Here is a simple and easy-to-follow guide to replace the lower control arm bushings. Start by parking your car on a flat surface. Turn off the engine and engage the parking brake. Use a jack to lift the front of the car, and place jack stands under the car frame to keep it stable. Make sure the vehicle is secure before you work under it. Use a lug wrench to loosen the nuts on the front wheel. Remove the wheel completely and set it aside. This gives you full access to the lower control arm. The lower control arm is the metal piece that connects the car's wheel hub to the frame. It has bushings at the ends that allow it to flex with suspension movement. Use your wrenches or sockets to remove the bolts that hold the control arm in place. There may be 2 bolts at the frame and 1 at the ball joint. You might need a ball joint separator, or a hammer to free the control arm from the joint. Now that the control arm is out, it's time to remove the worn-out bushings. This step can be tricky. If you have a press, it's the best way to push the bushings out. It applies even pressure and reduces the risk of damaging the control arm. If a press is not available, you can also use a bushing removal tool with care. Take your new bushings and press them into the control arm. A hydraulic press works best for this. If you don't have one, many auto parts stores can do this for a small fee. Make sure the bushings are pressed in straight and fully seated. Now, clean subframe little bit to remove the dirt and debris from it. Once the new bushings are in, position the control arm back in place. Line up the bolt holes and start threading the bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the ball joint and any other bolts you removed earlier. Use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the car manufacturer's recommended settings. Put the wheel back on and tighten the lug nuts by hand. Lower the car to the ground using the jack. Once the car is on the ground, use the lug wrench to fully tighten the wheel nuts in a crisscross pattern. Start the car and go for a short test drive. Listen for any strange noises. If everything feels tight and smooth, you have done a great job. Replacing lower control arm bushings can save you money and improve your car's handling. It takes some effort and patience, but with the right tools and these step-by-step instructions, it is possible to do it at home. Just make sure to follow all safety precautions to avoid any accidents during the process.